Being a working mom is like juggling multiple roles: career, family, and finding time for yourself. But when the weekend arrives, suddenly, it's chaos at home. So, how can you reset your home in just one day and start the week fresh and organized? Today, I'm sharing 5 effective strategies that will transform your living space without overwhelming you. 1. Decluttering process. First up, declutter like a pro. Grab 3 bins: keep, donate, and trash. Quickly assess each room, deciding what stays and what goes. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about creating a space that feels lighter and more manageable. 2. Creating a cleaning playlist. Music has this amazing ability to boost your energy and mood. So, turn on your favorite tunes or a motivational podcast while you tidy up. Trust me, it makes cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a dance party. 3. Focusing on high-traffic areas. Now, let's tackle those high-traffic areas: the kitchen, living room, and bathrooms. These spaces see the most action and can quickly become cluttered. By prioritizing them, you'll notice a big difference in how your home looks and feels. 4. Involving the family. Get the whole family involved. Assign age-appropriate tasks to your kids and make it a team effort. Not only does it lighten your load, but it also teaches them valuable lessons about responsibility and teamwork. Plus, it's a great bonding experience. 5. Establishing a maintenance routine. Lastly, establish a simple maintenance routine. Spend just 15 to 20 minutes each day tidying up and addressing small messes. This proactive approach prevents clutter from piling up again and keeps your home consistently organized. By following these 5 strategies: decluttering, creating a cleaning playlist, focusing on high-traffic areas, involving your family, and maintaining a routine, you can turn your home into a haven of peace and order. What's your go-to strategy for resetting your home? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.